Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve black screen on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Telegram. You can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.